So guys, for the first step, once you're on ChatGPT, you want to look in the top left where it says chatgpt.com. And now next to it, you want to click on this, View Site Information. You want to click on this. And now you want to click on Cookies and Site Data. And now you want to click on Manage On-Device Site Data. And then once this comes up, you just want to delete everything that comes up here. And then click on Done. And now we're going to click on this again, View Site Information. And now you want to click on Site Settings. And then once you're on this, you want to click on Delete Data again. And then click on Delete. And now for the second step, you want to head over to Search and type in CMD. Now you have to run it as administrator. And then click on Yes. And then once you're on this, you want to type in ipconfig space /flush DNS. Click on Enter. And now you want to type in netsh space winsock space reset. Click on Enter again. And now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer. And then the problem should be fixed.